This video will explain how to remove command strips, as well as explaining the difference between peel and shear modes of removal. I have a piece of wallboard with some black construction paper spray adhesive to the top, just to create some weak bonds. Construction paper isn't very cohesively strong, and we'll just see what happens. So this first tape is a pretty gentle adhesive. It's an acrylic, and just peeling it up in an acute angle as well as obtuse, and that's pretty well removed the whole top surface. This adhesive should be even worse. It's a little bit stronger. And this last tape is an automotive tape, and it's pretty strong adhesive, so no surprises there. So with command, I've bonded them all for the recommended 30 seconds of application pressure. And if you peel a command strip, there's no magic to it. It will just rip off the top surface. Another common issue is peeling. If you're using them loose, it's hard to stretch them to remove without kind of going into a obtuse peel mode. So that's why a lot of times when you have these widgets that attach to them, part of the point of that is to isolate the peel front so that it can only remove a little bit at a time. So I'm just going to go ahead and bond that. I'll see if I can figure out how to hold this camera and that at the same time. Let's see. Pop it up. Okay. I think that's pretty good. So, maybe not so great. So what you want to do is peel very slowly and normal to the surface, and you'll see it stretch quite a bit. And what's happening is it's removing in shear mode, so the widget on top is pinning the remaining length of the strip so that only the front can debond and work its way back very slowly. Now normally you'd want to hold that because when it gives, it's going to snap into my hand. And it takes a while. You can see how long it's stretching. Almost there. Okay, so other than, and this is off of construction paper, so other than that last little tail, which might not have been very well pinned, it's nearly free. That is where that strip was compared to the one peeled without pinning it from the top, and compared to the one attempting to stretch it but not holding it down, and the one where I just peeled it. And note the difference. That's about what a removed command strip should look like versus the original. So quite a bit necked down due to the stretching, and I'd guess about twice as long.